Hi, this is Jackie with WTI and Bergamot by Young Living Essential Oils. Bergamot essential oil is a really good, zesty, yummy, sweet citrus essential oil that I just can't get enough of. I love the scent. If you like Earl Grey tea, like I love Earl Grey tea, bergamot is one of the ingredients in Earl Grey tea that gives it that special smell. So oh, that's what I smell when I smell this. I smell a really good Earl Grey tea. So I like to diffuse it in the diffuser with other essential oils as a blend that just smells so nice. It's good with lavender and with like a woodsy scent too. You can use this with just about any floral fragrance to make a really nice perfume oil or just diffuse it. I absolutely love it, but that's my point of view.